In this video, I'm going to talk about the concept of templates. Do you know what is a template? In simple terms, we can say that a template is generic data type. What we called generic data type. What is the meaning of generic data type? Generic data type can accept different values. Integer values can be accepted, floating values can be accepted, character values can be accepted. So that means there is a generic data type. This data type can accept any type of data. Okay, so this is the major advantage of templates. With the help of this, we can say that templates are powerful concepts in C++. Why it is powerful? Because with the help of these templates, we can develop vectors, we can develop stacks in data structures, and we can develop lists and various queues concepts, etc. Templates very powerful because it can be used in real-time applications, because with the help of templates the programs are very flexible and the code can be reusable. So that is the reason templates are frequently used in real-time applications. And templates frequently used in the concept of functions, we can also call it as function templates, and the concept of class templates. Okay, used in function templates and used in class templates. So let us see the concept of function template. Every template is going to be identified with there is a keyword of template. And what is the purpose of the template? To define generic data types. So every generic data type must be identified with the class keyword followed by template variable, or we can also call it as template type. So this template variable can be used. Let us take example like template followed by there is a keyword is called class is a keyword, and T is nothing but what? Generic data type. So how to define generic data type? With the help of template keyword as well as with the help of class keyword, right? So this is the way we can define templates in C++.